Hi guys, I'm Jake Wenkoy. Welcome to my channel. And sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and comment down below. We're here at Cheesecake Factory, Dubai Festival Series. So here it is. So I bought a slice for 35 dirhams and 40 fils. So let's check it out kung gaano kasarap tong ultimate red velvet cheesecake dito sa Cheesecake Factory. By the way, they have 5 branches across the UAE. They have in JBR, MOE, Dubai Mall, and Yas Mall. So tikman po natin.
This is Jake Wenkoy again. Today I'm going to show you and I'm going to try the best-selling red velvet cake from Cheesecake Factory. Turn. So we're going to try cheesecake. I kind of like it. It's very creamy and very rich with red velvet cake and topped with white chocolate. So, masarap po siya. I can recommend this cheesecake. It's really yummy. Hit comment down below, like and share. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay, hindi pala ako nag-thank you sa'yo.
Hindi na, okay na. Okay na! Okay, nakita pa kayo.